Oh, you're on fire, huh?
Oh, you put it doesn't actually.
Yeah, that's real. Yeah, that's real.
Yeah. All right.
Well, you know, last year, even during COVID, I put my sign up here, you know.
Hey,
Nobody complained about nothing.
What's the deal with the horse? Push here for the horse.
Oh,
The pencil drawing with the circle, right? On the one of the pillars. Is it still there?
oh, the horse is in the back. I used that twice, 2 years in a row. And I'm afraid that the legs are going to come off it or something. It's
So what's the deal if you press the button?
oh, just neat. Yeah, like that.
Oh, okay. Because I pressed it, but I didn't.
I had one neighbor. Oh, Anya. There wasn't even a button there. But if you press this button, so I was watching you.
Yeah, it's just a.
I can't get it to work. There's not even a button there. Anya, what are you doing?
Yeah, it's a
You've
pencil.
been drinking?
It just says there, yeah.
It's a pencil drawing.
It's a push button. You know,
Yeah.
you push your horse and I turn the button. Not yet.
Still trying to push it.
Still trying to push it. You're just here.
I pushed it a couple of times. You know why? Because I was like, I thought maybe it was like one of those things like if you dare to push it.
Oh,
if you could be. If
was
you
there a
could-
button there or
No, it's just a pencil drawing.
Oh, okay.
It's just a pencil drawing. It
Oh, how many people did
says
that?
push here for horse, and there's a little circle drawn with a pencil. And there's obviously no button in there, you know. But I was like, okay, like
Maybe it might be a sensor of some sort.
there's something where you
never
hiding
know.
back there, obviously, or something like a camera.
Well, everybody knows
set
my
up.
thing that I'm hiding back there, so that's the thing. But I like to watch it. I have a couple of drinks and get a little kind of out of it. And people come by here at scream boxes, and I find out what freaks people out the most, you know.
That's the best.
And the thing was, I had somebody walking their dog. The dog, I felt bad, man. This thing screamed, the dog's freaked out. And I go, fuck. You know, that's not cool, man. You know what I mean? That's not cool. And then the owners that come by, the dog doesn't want to.
Dogs don't want to go by the
Yeah, don't
house
want
no
to come by. Yeah.
No, that's
Scared enough to keep the dogs want to come by. I kept it.
kind of this lamp with a stool with candy in front of it. And this lady.
He's got like the shirt, so it's got like stab wounds in it.
Press the button on it.
And this lady brings her kid over. Oh no. Nice lady.
Just quickly obey, tossing handfuls
Oh
of
shit, I got to
Find her. She brings her kid closer. As this starts screaming. And I heard this and it came outside, like I thought it was like, you know, they wanted candy or something, maybe I heard something like, you know. And I look over and just this kid is just going at it. And just a little baby type of thing, dressed up as Woody. And the mom is still being I come out, I'm just walking. I started laughing. We also, we realized, you know, it's like it's kind of like this realization we all realize.
Jack-o'-lanterns come alive and sing this ghoulish tune.
Witches fly upon their brooms, spirits rise from their tombs.
Creatures of the night will hunt for candy to consume.
Little kitties all beware of fearsome frights and sneaky scares.
Ghosts and goblins prowl about to catch you unaware.
Very frantic with disguise to blend in if you're wise.
Go from door to door and you'll collect a sweet surprise.
Creepy, crawly, slime and goo, werewolves howl and zombies drool. Something's waiting in the dark to jump out and yell woo! Monsters roaming everywhere, tag along if you dare. We'll have a night of fright and fun beyond compare. Once a year, moon blooms, children dressed in costumes. Jack-o'-lanterns come alive and sing the Swedish tune.
All right.
Witches fly upon their brooms, spirits rise from their tombs. Creatures of the night hunt for candy to consume.
Little kitties all beware of fearsome frights and sneaky scares. Better find a good disguise to blend in if you're wise.
Creepy, crawly, slime and goo, werewolves howl and zombies drool. Something's waiting in the dark to jump out and yell woo! Monsters roaming everywhere, tag along if you dare. Have a night of fright and fun beyond repair. Out, take care. Ghosts and goblins come about to catch you unaware. Don't run, don't scream.
They just want to wish you all a happy Halloween.
And when they're through, they'll be with a final. any hunter's hungry mutt. What of their fate? Did they escape? No one knows, but have no fear. At least the town's candy is safe, and shall never again disappear.
That's gotta be perfect for that.
I did. I've been in there already.
No, let's talk now. Well, you gotta be careful because I don't want you to fall down. So.
No, I was talking to her. Oh, is it okay if she takes pictures?
Yeah, as long as she doesn't fall over.
Thanks, God.
This is a tale of three children born. They are powerful, stormy and cold. Too much candy from their neighbors they did take. It is known that their greed set their
After all this
fate.
work, I might get the camera going, so I'm using my phone.
Except
Some
one
kind of
man's
memory of
house,
this,
Hey,
you know?
whose gates
you got a good thinking mind to put this together like this here, huh? You had to do
Yeah.
some serious thinking. Well, let me remember some old stuff that I'd seen and see till I copied a little bit of it, you know?
Yeah, he does it every year. He's always outdoing himself too.
Hey, that's what it's about.
Yeah.
You gotta go bigger and bigger.
Yeah, bigger, better.
Yeah, bigger and better. Yeah.
the giant
Bob, can you do the dragon, or is it out of fog?
No, I can do that right now. I'm gonna get someone to do that for me too as well.
with a wink of the wave, he invited them into his magnificent Victorian cage. To his parlor they followed, where an enormous mound of sweet treats they did greet.
Oh yeah.
The children dared to ask, I took it from the good townspeople. 'Twas
Gotta
for
get
the
a
task.
different view of that thing.
I hope you have some, he offered, presenting a tattered old sack. Children's bells again, they did fear. For the first time in its life,
And with those lights, you now share and live in this mansion for eternal night.
the thick doors closed up and slowly began to shut. The children raced for their freedom faster than any hunter's hungry hunt. But have no fear. At least the town's candy is safe and shall never again disappear. Once a year the full moon blooms till the rescue
I've been seeing this too. Goblins prowl about to catch you unaware. Open door to door and then collect the spoons and pies. Little kitties, all beware of fears and frights and sneaky scares. From the skies to the leaves if you're wise.
All right, say hi, Bob.
Hello.
This is the mastermind himself, the homeowner slash master decorator.
Happy Halloween.
You're awesome, Bob. You always outdo yourself.
Thank you.
The whole neighborhood loves it. You make everybody's day and week and month and everything.
Well, you guys are welcome. Let's see what happens next year.
When out on the lawn, there arose eerie laughter. I sprang for my